Christmas. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Yes, it does. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Alright guys, so tonight we are gonna be doing my night routine for the winter season. It's not really that different, to be honest, other than other times, but we're gonna just do it tonight. So right now I am watching YouTube as well as exporting and uploading my video for today because I'm a little late, which happens, you know, sometimes it happens sometimes. So if it wasn't that I'm uploading today's vlog, it would be that I'm editing and uploading the vlog for tomorrow. So either way, I'd be doing some editing and some uploading. So yeah, so for the night, pretty much I'm gonna shower. Wait, I might need to pull out my hair, I'm not sure, but just a little. This is going to either be a night routine or a night in my life. I think it's gonna be a night in my life. Yeah, a Sunday night reset, Sunday night in my life, because necessarily I don't pull out my hair every night, every Sunday night. So yeah. All right, so yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. Oh.
So guys, the hair is now out. As you can see, it is desperately in need of processing, but I don't think I can process it until probably about Friday or next week, since I've been scratching it so much. I think I'm gonna need to wash it, treat it, and then just leave it, nothing being done to it, for the next week, and try and see if I can process it next week or thereabouts. So yeah. My ear look weird. So yes, I just finished uploading the vlog, so that is up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna moisturize my hair and plait it. It feel weird the how long it not have no moisture in it because it under the hair. So yes, I'm gonna moisturize and plait it, and then we'll see where the night goes after this. Alright guys, so I have finished doing the hair. Yeah, it seems fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and shower and then come back and get some work done. So let's go. Let's first look something to wear for the night. Alright, so I was thinking probably one of my Christmassy looking ones. So what do you guys say? The pants? Right, let's see if I can find a blouse first for the pants. I don't know. I think the pants is kind of too hot right now, and I don't have any of my, as I was saying, I don't have any of the white blouse right now. Like, this has red. No, it doesn't. No, it really does not. Me wishing it had red so I can wear it now. This long sleeve. none of them have red, like none. Alright guys, so I decided on this green shorts and this, what do you call this, blouse, marina blouse, like tank top that says nah, I'ma stay in bed, when I can't actually stay in bed. So lighting is terrible, but anyways, so I'm gonna get some work done, like set up my classes for tomorrow. Yeah, I still have class.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Gonna I just brushed my teeth. I finished the setting up of my class, so pretty much right now I'm gonna lotion and do like my, just put on a little bit of face moisturizer, lip balm, lotion, put on a little bit of perfume, even though I don't need to go to bed, but I always do it, I don't know why. And then go to bed. Well, go and watch YouTube and then go to bed. So yeah, just so I know the lighting is very terrible in the room, that's why I wanted to see that here. And then I'll end the vlog tomorrow morning when there's better lighting, and to just give the shout outs and such. So yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.